Alright, so here we are for this Senton 6S running video. I'm going to start off on 4S first though, just to get a feel for the truck, and then we'll switch out to 6S. So this is now running the optional pinion that comes with the truck. That was nasty. And we're kind of starting over on the oval because I already know what it goes like around the little jump track. Keep that throttle pinned right until the last minute. She likes to nosedive. Grass is kind of tall up there. And this on 4S goes like the clappers. And it's upside down. Good times. Let's not waste too much time over there. Let's get over here. It just clipped the tail end of that. Just not enough to clear it. And made a mess of that landing. Oh God. Tuck and roll, baby. Tuck and roll. There you go. Is it at all possible to have a bit of a rougher start to this video with this poor old truck? Oh! Oh! We're good, we're good. This thing goes pretty good. Come on, come on. Just not enough to clear it on 4S. Ooh, just. Come on, can we clear it? Go up high. Yeah, we can clear it. All right, let's go on the big jump. Wow, look at the size of those ruts. Can we clear the jump this way? Yeah, we can. I don't think it'll clear it going the other way though. Tuck and roll and upside down. Gee whiz. A little bit of headwind. Hey, at least it's in one piece and it's in it's the right way up for a change. Yeah, this isn't really meant for, I mean, let's not forget, we're talking about a short course truck, notorious for parachuting by default. Got a little bit of a head breeze, a little bit of headwind when we're jumping this way. There's a bit of a breeze. Oh, at least I made it. Made it nice. Nice landing. Oh! Oh, hang on. Yes, I rescued it. My poor Senton. Are you okay? Yeah, we're fine. Just put a 6S in me and let's go. All right. Stop yelling at me. Let's go. 6S. Here we are. Let's go. Here we are. Let's go. Let's do it. Yes. Let's go. 6S. Here we go. All right. So this is actually my first time driving this truck on 6S. Here we go. Woo. Lots of power. Wow. You tend to forget how wild and crazy it is to have a short course truck on 6L. I mean, normally that's reserved for monster trucks, truggies, even buggies, but a short course truck, if you think about it, although I know that some people have done this as an aftermarket thing with other short course trucks, but to have one out of the box on 6S, you know, the entire concept is actually not that old. And ARRMA, I think, have pretty much pioneered that. Or at least I think they have, because I can't think of too many other short course trucks that come out of the box 6S capable and can take this sort of abuse. Just nuts, that's all we can say. Just being able to peg it right off the line and do that is just, yeah, now he clears the grassy patch, doesn't it? I mean, this thing is out of control. And I actually have a little bit of control in the air, where before it kind of struggled. Oh! Nah, I had no way of getting that back. Come on, look at even wheelies coming off the jumps. I mean, oh boy. Oh. We're good? Wow, we're good. Sideways landing. Wheels are okay. Steering's fine. I mean, I can think of a couple of short course trucks that would have been dead by now. Oh, Jesus. Oh. All right. Let's go around the bend. Now, in case any of you are wondering about the wheel and tyre combo I'm using here, I'm using Proline split 6 rims with AKA City Block tyres. I find the AKA City Blocks to be a really good tyre for this type of terrain. I've used them in a couple of other cars and they work really well. They've been lasting me quite a while too, but I keep them off the tarmac because they're a little bit, I don't know, they're kind of a mishmash between, I would think, the Blockades and the Calibers from Proline. They're just a nice tyre, and I've used a couple of them in the past. They seem to work. So that's what I'm using here. And they're 1/8 scale buggy tyres. So they're not 2.8s or 3.8s. They're just 1/8 scale buggy tyres. Oh, what happened? Well, how do you explain that? All right, enough games. Let's see if we can make the jump this time, make it a little bit nicer. Here we go. Round the bend, take it wide, line it up, and clears. Yes. Clear it nicely. Ooh. Oh, my poor truck. Flip her over and we're good to go. You know, people sometimes ask me, why don't I do a durability montage on some of the cars that I test out? Because sometimes you have days like this, right? I mean, I'm not trying to break the truck. I'm merely trying to drive it. You know, I mean, it is a short course truck. It is prone to parachuting. The suspension's a little soft probably for this terrain. It's getting kick up here and there. What in the world was that? And, you know, things like this happen, right? So I'm not doing this on purpose. So the reason why I don't do durability montages like, say, Jang used to do from back in the Ultimate RC days is because, well, A, I'm not looking at breaking every car that I own because parts are expensive. Well, not all the time, but I just don't want to spend the money on them because I'm a tired ass, but that's just me. And at the end of the day, I like to see real world tests, right? Because I don't consider myself to be the perfect driver. I'm not driving on manicured, you know, racing tracks. I'm driving on a BMX track that looks like it's been left alone for quite some time. And anybody has access to this. And, you know, if you have access to a bashing area around your park, around your house, wherever, you're likely to have uneven surfaces, and you're going to get kick-ups, you're going to get tumbles, you're going to get things that happen with me. And if the way I see it, if the truck breaks in my hands, doing what I'm doing here, then I guess it might break in your hands. But if it breaks, if I'm trying to slam it into a wall at 60 miles an hour or whatever, well then that's unrealistic. Not to say that it won't happen, but you can't expect any car to survive if you're going full speed into a wall, or if you're deliberately trying to break it off a jump. I mean, that's just my point of view on it. I prefer to have real world results of what the durability is going to be like, as opposed to deliberately trying to break it. Oh, here we go. Nice. All right, let's go on the big jump, and well, I guess let's see if we can break it there. Nice. I'm not going to try and do like the biggest air with this thing, because I think we both know what's going to happen. Oh, not both. I think we all know what's going to happen. I'm pretty sure there's more than one of you watching this. But we did it anyway. And I actually managed to control it. Now that's cool. Oh boy, oh boy. I had nowhere near enough speed to make that go where I wanted it to go. Oh, jeez. How is this thing still in one piece? Can somebody answer me in the comments? I have a feeling I know what's coming, but just how is it still in one piece? This thing's out of control. Here we go, all right. Let's do some doughies, get those tyres to balloon, fish the tail end out. This thing is out of control. Wowzers. It's so nice to control as well. Like, I don't feel like I'm out of control with it. It doesn't feel out of whack. This is, and I said this on the V1 when I had the V1 Senton, this is the ultimate basher short course truck. There is no other. All the others, you know, they play second fiddle to this one. And, you know, if you want to disagree, that's fine. You can disagree all you want. But out of the box, I mean, I have not done a single thing to this truck other than the tyres, because the stock tyres suck, and I hope ARRMA really take my advice and change out the stock tyres on the Senton. They're onto a good thing with the Senton 4x4, the little 10th scale ones. I think those tyres are quite nice. They should do something similar to the 6S version. But the current stock tyres that come on the Senton 6S, as well as the Fury, actually, they're a bit ordinary. Hang on, I've got to get rid of this stick. I'll just step on it. There you go, it's gone. I hope they fix that up, but yeah, other than that, I mean, this thing is dead stock. It's not like I'm running chassis braces or RPM arms or T-bone racing bumpers, you know, like all those things are great. Don't get me wrong, they will improve your truck in some way, form or another. But I don't know. Ooh. The way this thing comes out of the box, taking this type of abuse, it's quite incredible. Oi. It's quite outstanding. You can't help but laugh and just think, you know, why can't other companies do this? Why couldn't the Team Associated Pro SC 4x4 be something similar to this? You know, as an example, because I didn't really like that truck at all. This thing is on another level. It's just, I could do this battery after battery after battery. We could be here all day until the sun goes down. But I think I've proven my point with this truck, and before I run out of battery and actually have to carry it back to the car, I think we're going to leave this one here. And that's pretty much it for the Senton 6S running video on both 4S and 6S. This is stock out of the box with only a tyre change. And of course I am running the optional 16-tooth pinion that came with it, because the stock pinion, I feel it's a little bit conservative in the gearing. I actually prefer the optional pinion on these cars. They just seem to handle a little bit better and give you that thrill of that excessive speed and just overwhelming power that these cars are famous for. But that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. And of course, check out the video description for more information on the truck, as well as its previous videos and links to my social media pages. I thank you all very much for watching, and I'll be speaking to you all next time. A little bit of bonus footage whilst I've still got a bit of battery left. Ooh, always that first time as you're trying to get used to it, always catches you out. Alright, let's see, here we go. Oh, not bad, not a bad fishtail. Here we go, alright. Oh, a little wide, a little wide. Alright, turn it around. Here we go. Oh, I pegged that way too late there. Alright, let's see if we can do it again. Here we go. Coming down hard. That was smooth. That was good. Alright. Here we go, come on. Yes. Yes. Wow. Wow, that was good. That was really good. Even I'm impressed. Seem to be struggling going this way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, hooked it a bit too early then. I cut the corner. All right, let's try it one more time. That was good. Yes. That was good. Yeah, at least I made it half decent. All right, I can feel the battery dying. There we are. All right, now just to make sure that we're not cheating anything here, let's have a look underneath the body. I'll zoom out and we'll just make sure that everything is still a-okay. Battery's good, motors are good, no cables have come out, no funny noises, no bent shock towers, no bent shocks, no broken bits. I did tighten just this little pillow ball here. It was kind of undoing itself, so I did tighten that up. If any of you picked that up earlier in the video, tire was kind of a little bit lopsided, so that was the only thing I did before I ran it around the corner here, and that's about it. All right, I think we're officially done.